Salisbury steak, delicious juicy beef, cooked. Sometimes they make it as a big patty, but you can make it any size. Whatever your liking, you cook it with mushrooms and you put some nice gravy. Later today, put some rice under it and have it with my family for dinner. We got 1.5 pounds of meat in here. We added 3 tablespoons of, actually 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 chicken bouillon. I like using chicken gravy with the beef. I don't know why, but for me, I like it tastes better. Half a white onion. Put in there some extra parsley, and I put in also onions, garlic, minced garlic. I put a tablespoon of it in there. Salt, pepper, a little bit of cayenne to give it a little seasoning, and we're gonna add 1 egg to it. We're gonna mix it around and form patties, and then we'll show you guys what it looks like inside the pan. Put a little bit of olive oil in there. We formed our first patty, so we're gonna put it in there. And the next one we're gonna make too. We're gonna put, you can make anywhere from 5 to 6 patties, maybe 7, depending on how you stuff them. I also put in here panko breadcrumbing also before. I forgot to tell you guys. Put some panko in there, or if you don't have panko, you can use regular breadcrumbs or seasoned breadcrumbs, and then mix it all together and do it from there. So we're gonna let these cook, get them brown on all the sides, and then we're gonna start making our gravy after. And we're gonna take the oil and the burn marks underneath it from cooking. We're gonna scrape that together and make our gravy with it. We're not gonna empty the oil or the scrappings from the meat underneath it. We're gonna put it all together and start making the gravy. Alright guys, so we're gonna let this cook and we'll show you guys what it looks like when we get back. Stay tuned. Welcome back. We just finished taking out our meat. Butter. This is the same pan that we used to make the patties in. We're gonna move this around. We're gonna melt some butter. Put the butter in there. We're gonna melt that. So welcome back. We're gonna add in a cup of water into our recipe. Next thing we're gonna do is add the 2 cups of chicken broth that we have in there. We're gonna mix that in there. And the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna bring the heat up on high. We're gonna add our back, and we're going to put 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce in there. We added that in. We're going to add in our parsley. Our flour mixture to thicken the sauce. We're going to put that all in. We're going to whisk it around. And then when we're done with that, we're going to add in our meat and we're going to let it cook. Stay tuned guys, we'll be back. guys. We're going to show you and plate it in a couple of minutes. Stay tuned.